To make Mexican enchiladas, first wash your hands. Then take tomato passata and spoon 5 spoonfuls into a bowl of drained, rinsed, tinned black beans. Give it a mix. Add a spoonful of runny honey. Now add dried chili powder, dried oregano, smoked paprika, and give it another mix. Don't forget to wipe your hands if you've touched the spices. Now add garlic puree and mix it again. Then take some cooked shredded chicken, add it to the bean mixture, and give it another mix. Make sure the cooked chicken is kept in the fridge until you're ready to use it. Now grate mature cheddar cheese and put it to one side for later. Next, add 6 spoons of tomato passata to the bottom of a cooking dish that you've already oiled. Take 4 tortilla wraps and add a spoonful of tomato passata onto each wrap and spread it out with the spoon. Add 4 spoons of the chicken and bean mixture to each tortilla. Squeeze it across the middle, add grated cheese, but make sure you save half of the cheese for later. Now squeeze a fresh lime all over the tortillas. Roll them up, add to the cooking dish, and give your hands a wipe. Finally, pour on the rest of the tomato passata and spread it out. Sprinkle on the remaining cheese and ask a grown-up to put it in the oven for you. When the enchiladas are cooked and slightly cooled, they're ready to eat, and all the lovely cheese has melted. And you can even add some fresh coriander for decoration and flavour. Delicious. This is a My World Kitchen Amber recipe to be eaten occasionally.